video. Today we are holiday hunting, but we are doing it on the daily instance too. So let's actually go. Holiday hunting. Catch a shot earlier on video. That video probably isn't yet. You might be. You might want to see. You might want to. And first one of the day. Okay. Oh. Snow. So ridiculously cold out here, like no reason at all. Like, it's windy too, is kind of what makes it worse. But it's cold out here. Make it a living nightmare for me. Like, not an incense, just the normal spawn. What the heck? You suck! Jigglypuff, you suck! I don't know what it's wanting me to do. Like, phone almost slipped out of my hand. What even is this Pokemon? I haven't even checked yet, so. I'm gonna transfer it literally as soon as I get it. Oh wait, where's the... Oh, it's that guy. Diglett. My eyes are hurting. A lot of spawns, but I haven't quite got anything. We're also holiday hunting, too. So... What the... What was the spawn? Is it just this? I assume it is. Oh no, it's that. Another one of these guys, bro. Chat. Oh no. Our tabble. It is broken. Why in the world? Don't care. Why is the shiny guy right up here? In my range. I want to change my buddy. Thank you. If you don't believe me that it's a hundo, womp womp on you. You can see the video. It was a hundo, and if you want me to check again, I will. Hundo. It's hundo, and I can make it primal right here, right now. So, might want to remake that. Holy god crap! God, what is that thing? Oh, rated. Bet I might just have to go down there. Oh wait, and it's the holiday, so it's gonna be a holiday Pokemon. More holiday raiding sounds like a great idea. When's the raid start? Let's go. It takes 30. I guess that'll be a good time to go. See you guys. Wimpod. What's this guy? Zubat in the Christmas tree. Does not feel right. And I did this on purpose because it's windy weather and Galarian birds are flying type. That I get it. That's all I want. All I want is a Galarian bird. Please. I'm begging you. Don't kill my family, please. Don't do that. What? So it's 3:15. I cannot control that. So, just to let you know, I can't control that. Tennessee takes off. Oh, it's gonna be such a good flash. But every moment, if you don't know, I'm a big Tennessee fan. Ever since I started watching them, 22, same year they beat Alabama, lost to South Carolina by like 30. I've loved every moment of it. I've loved watching college football. I don't want to grow up and play football. I just love football in general. It's a sport that I don't think I will ever stop watching as long as I live. God dang. And it's a leader. I'm not even in a battle, I'm just seeing what Pokemon. It's always into Zacian and freaking. It's not anyone. Bro. Another Snorlax. What's a normal Sandshrew is crazy. I thought it was gonna be the icy one. I guess not. Check. Wooper. Is unbelievable. There's people's Christmas decorations right now that are like falling down. What the heck? You should. What? Dangerous? Seriously? Wait, no, that's not murder. What are the balls in Dangerous? That's where I get tripped up at time. What's right? 3. Mega at McDonald's. No, I only want the 1 stars because I don't even care which one I get. I'm just here. Trust me, it did not sound like what it sounded like. But Shadow IVs on that one normally the shadow IVs are horrible. And just so you know, I'm gonna run the rest of the way because I want a daily because I want a bird. I haven't even got one yet. So go. What? I've never seen this. Pinnacle, I think. Just gonna have it in nice. And of course, we're gonna respawn. As soon as we stop. Anyways, we tried. We didn't get anything. But I hope you